All right, traders, so it's Beneki here again from the Bankers Club, and I'm going to quickly go over this trade that I'm in at the moment. Short on Great British Pound US dollar. I had multiple positions I got in up here, and I closed the load out already, which I posted a little reel in Instagram. So go check that out if you're following me on Instagram. And I'll just talk you through very quickly. The confluence is pretty straightforward. We were auctioning up on the current day's profile whilst our puppet Prime Minister Keir Starmer was doing a little talk. So I thought I just waited for us to get up into a level, and then I was anticipating a rejection. So looking at the day chart, I had this area here, these two single prints, what I thought was a logical area to see a rejection. That was in alignment with the single prints here on one of my custom session market profiles and naked point of control there. So there's loads of liquidity resting there. And I thought we'd be definitely seeing some sort of reaction from there. We could also see delta divergences coming into the area of interest. And then my absorption study trigger there on that chart. And I'll quickly show you as well now the footprint. So the footprint chart, we had the level of interest, which we know looking at the other market profile charts was up here. So I just waited for the stop run liquidity grab with the increase in volume, increase in buy side delta, coming into that point of interest, which we could see there. And then we got the delta flip to the sell side. We've got trapped traders there. So any late longs would be in drawdown underwater. We then couldn't break this area of imbalance, which is that little blue box that had printed there. As you can see, a lot of buying taking place here, but there's just no interest in trading higher because buyers were getting absorbed by passive sell limit orders. So that's absorption. And then as you can see, we've got aggressive and started selling off. So that was very quickly the basics of what I saw on the footprint chart. I go into all this stuff much more detail in our course, but this is just a quick overview of what I was looking at for my confluences for taking the trade. I then closed out a load of positions back at this single print here because that was a safe place for me to close profits, which was just before vwap, which is where I would have ordinarily been looking to close out fully. And I've just got one position running to see if we get a pullback and then further continuation to the downside. So I hope you got a little bit of value from that, and I'll catch you in another video. Nice one. Cheers, guys. Over and out.